Right, off you go. We're reaching the exit from I think that's enough for today. You should probably head out. So pick this up later. And don't mind Fluffy. His barks are worse than his bites. No, don't panic. I'll just power. I've got him. Don't worry. Ricardo. Sorry. Shakes and magic.
Oh, crikey, you're tangled in devil's stare. Repeat, Lumos Salem after me. Lumos Salem.
That was close. Oh, you found my missing streaks. Let's be getting you out of here before you get blasted. Now, hit those purple buttons. Dragon fire's guaranteed. Well, I'll be. There's a unicorn. And look, she's a mum. Really lucky thing to see such a sight in the wild. But Merlin's beard, we did see Pixie, Scroops, and unicorns. Oh, and I'd be grateful if you didn't mention any of this to anyone back at Hogwarts. See you next lesson.